Customer come daily, but today feeling came. Today feeling came. Okay. Because you guys came here to eat samosa. Chai. I love chai. You love chai? Our Prime Minister was selling chai. Oh,
Yeah. I read the article.
This place only.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you paid already.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Where do you give these funds from? Okay.
No problem.
Okay, let's go and sit there.
But take me when I see. I know this is Indian today, so I don't want anybody problem.
Every record there is sitting like Indians. The problem with Indian hotels or restaurants or any food place is that when you order for something, it takes a lot of time. Like for tea, I don't know since when, but it's taking long to come. I've eaten my samosas and I finished them before tea comes. So,
But the strange thing is that the guy said 5 minutes.
yeah, and the guy said 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and it's over 15 minutes now. Just for a tea, which is small, that you can take in one. How much time do you need to take that tea?
If it's cold, less than 2
No,
minutes.
it's sorry, it's hot. No, it's very hot.
Yeah,
and,
I can't take it hot.
but it takes less than 1 minute to finish
Yeah.
the tea, and yet the time you spend waiting for it, it's also too much. Yeah. This thing is somehow spicy. How are the samosas?
Samosas are good basically. The stuff which is inside, I think it's potatoes. Yeah, it's fine, it's good. And this thing, I think it's tomato sauce.
The tomato sauce.
Yeah, it's 50-50. Because I'm not used to it, so it doesn't feel like the tomato sauce which I'm used to.
It's hot.
I ate something which
Too much spice, right? This guy has ate too much spice, now he's crying. Tears.
one thing, it was one, I don't know what is it, but it was full. Like when I just chewed, I felt like
Wow. But you're enjoying the samosa, eh?
yes, I'm not giving up.
As like this, and he's proposing that we take another one. Let's see. Basically, this is nightlife in India. In Gujarati, no alcohol, no clubs. So you just come for chai, take a samosa, and share around all these people, and then call it a night. I don't know the ingredients they put in Indian tea. It always smells nice, you know.
Yeah,
Like-
I was telling that even to one girl also.
Yeah, like
Probably there's some stuff which they put in which makes it, because you can't make this at home.
like garlic. I've tried to make this, but I can't. I don't know. They put in too much. Is it? What do they put in? Too much ginger, right?
I don't know.
They must be put. I'm sure they put in too much ginger and. Anyway, if you know what they put in, just tell me and we find out. And I make this at home also. Tasty and sweet. Done with the tea and coronavirus. How are you? This is nightlife in Vadodara. So
No drugs.
Right now we are challowing, but seriously, like the life is pretty normal here, and no one is caring about Corona anymore, except for my boy here who is caring, and Mr. Cow. Yeah, Mr. Cow and Batin, they are the only people here who are caring about coronavirus. So now that's it. Feel merengue. See you next time. I'm going back to my residence of Sharoi. Sure.
કેવું છે તમારે સારું છે જો
સારું છે
સારું જ છે
હા
એકદમ મજામાં